Hi guys, Giselle here. Welcome to another tutorial video. Today's topic is about phone validator line type with DNC. But do you really need to validate phone numbers? The answer is yes. If you're a business owner and you're trying to reach your leads via call or text, it is important to validate phone numbers to filter out invalid and fake ones. Otherwise, most likely, it will lead to a low conversion rate and low sales. So stop wasting your time and resources and start using our phone validator tools. So go to searchbug.com and log in. Okay, so once you're in, go to Lookups and identify phone number. Okay, so we have 4 categories here. We will select the line type and carrier plus DNC. This service provides nearly 100% accuracy for line type and current carrier. Phone number reporting information will also be provided and is updated daily. It will also check if a phone number is listed on the do not call list. So if you skip this step and you call the number that happens to be registered in the DNC list, the call recipient can sue the caller and they may end up paying hefty fines. So let's try to search for a number and click verify. Okay, there you go. So this phone number is valid. The phone type is VoIP, it's carrier, and this number was ported, and this phone number is not listed on the do not call list. Its time zone is in PDT and local calling area is in San Diego, California. And you're all set. You can now start with your cold outreach. That's it for today. Follow our social media accounts for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.